In this video, we are going to review our new trading view indicator and we will see that how they have performed on Friday on gold, forex pairs and currency pairs and crypto as well. Okay, so first of all, this is the Bitcoin chart and the market is live. So again, the same setup that I have advised to all of the traders, that if you want to use this indicator, you have to use it with the proper care. Like you can see, the bands are on the upward side. Okay, so first of all, let me show you. If I hide the market turning points indicator, you see a top band and you see the lower band. Okay, and we do not take any kind of trades when the price is outside the band and even touching the band. We do not plan any kind of trades. So what is the strategy? We always wait for the market to come inside the band, and it should give a breakout below the moving average. Like you can see, there is a moving average in white color, so we always wait for the breakout of that moving average, and then if we are getting any bullish confirmation from the market turning points indicator or the blue level from the magnet bands, then only we are looking towards the buy position, because here the retail traders will be in sell and we are going to trade against the retail traders, because we are going to trade as per the smart money. And then you can see, simply you can see the price is up. And again, even if we talk about today, then on Bitcoin the price has again given you a bearish breakout. Wait for the proper entry, and again you can see it simply went up, went into the upward direction. Now this is the fantastic thing that we have developed in this indicator, and it works very well. Okay, now just look at gold. Okay, so gold has given you a bearish breakout, and first of all it went up on Friday, and then again you see a bearish breakout of our white moving average. Our white moving average is very special, and then you see a simple upward move, and again there is a bearish breakout of the moving average, and again you can see that there was a buy opportunity, plus the blue level was printed, and then see the price simply moved up. Now I can prove this thing in many ways. Okay, now you can see the market is coming from the upper side. That is why I always recommend that do not plan any trade when the market is at the bands, because here that the smart money is liquidating the retail traders. So this is the dangerous area to trade as per the bands. Always let the market come down, and look at this. We are going to trade in the middle. Look, the buy opportunity plus the blue level from the market magnet bands masterpiece, and then you can see the prices simply went into the upward direction. Okay, similarly I can show you more examples. Okay, now the case is reversed. Just reverse that concept and you will understand that what I am talking about. Okay, now when the price is coming from the lower side, always wait for the market to give you a bullish breakout of the moving average, and then find the level from the market turning points or the magnet bands, and then you can see it's down again, and again it's down. Okay, so this is the reverse scenario that you can use. Okay, wherever it breaks, then it will be a stop loss. Okay, now just look at this one. The price is coming from the lower side, it comes and give a breakout, and then it was rejected from the selling opportunity. But again, the price is not very it has not touched the bands. So the criteria is the price should come from the bands. Okay, for example, just look at this trade. The price is coming from the upper band, it gives the bearish breakout of the moving average. You got a blue signal from the magnet bands indicator, and then you can see the price is up. So this is how you can trade, and this is the fantastic indicator. If you want to book the lifetime version of the magnet bands indicator, this one, or the market turning points indicator that shows you the sell opportunity and the buy opportunity, then you can contact on Telegram, you can contact through email. Our market turning points indicator is listed on our website fxmentorus.com. You can find all details in the description of this video. Thank you very much.